both sizes. Take off these belly shirts.
Slam!
Supposed to be on the car.
Over with! Oh, clean. Doing good?
I just seen your video.
Yeah. That's 3 wins! Yo, what's the word? We outside. My boy Cam over there. We got Dante 5-star. About 2 weeks ago, we tried to make a YouTube video, but
that little turd right there, we lost power steering fluid. We ain't had no power steering fluid. We lost power steering. Pulled up to the meet. We ain't even parked. We just kept going. We did a little drive-by. We back here. No dumb, none stupid. We outside this time. Paint correction done.
damn, that boy do look good. Oh,
Look good. Hey, that red. They got me right.
That
so
boy looks good. Boy, what's up with your rims though?
Hey.
What's up with your rims though?
Hey, we ain't going.
We got 2 different rims.
Hey, don't look. Hey, that's the burners in the back.
Okay, okay. So we going to a spin show tonight. Striker boys.
Striker.
Oh, hold up. We got some beef. Hold up. My boy, I'm getting this. You good?
Hey, hello. That was only 5,500. Hey, we got 2 more grand to go.
Okay, we good. Huh? Doing good?
Hell yeah, bro.
Nice. What's up, bro? You doing good? Alright. What's up? What's up, bro?
Why tasted that?
What's up, bro?
Bro, you good?
Yes, sir.
This is my dad.
I say it every time I'm in the video.
dad.
This is my son right here.
That's my dad.
This is my son.
Oh, wait.
It's not that.
Little incest.
I've been lazy. I got yelled at today, so I fixed it.
Yeah,
We good.
both sides of the bumper straight hanging to the ground, bro.
We good though.
All he had to do was put 2 bolts in. Or 4, my fault.
4 bolts. I had to drill out 2 though.
2 bolts on each side.
Behind the camera a lot. He like to wear these belly shirts, bro. And I tell him every time I see him, take off these belly shirts.
Oh,
what are you doing?
your shit's short
Mine ain't that
too.
bad, but you
Your
walking around like
shit's
this. You
short.
like,
your shit's short too.
you lucky the camera
suck
wasn't
my
there
belly?
that day. We was
You wanna
at the.
suck my belly?
No, I don't.
Come on, suck it.
No, I don't. Y'all lucky y'all weren't there to witness him in this crop top jersey he had on.
Bro, I had
Like
a
week
tank
ago.
top on.
121,000 view, 23, whatever view.
Almost 124,000. About to be his record right now.
I forgot how to act.
And this guy changed.
He's a
I did
changed
not
man.
change.
He don't want to ride with me no more.
We was talking about. I was just riding with you.
Hey, shot him this morning or earlier when I got there. I even brought him Wingstop because I was being nice.
Damn.
And he had the audacity back. Who am I?
Oh nah.
Oh.
I didn't know who he was, bro. You know, 100K changes you different.
That's this.
Hey, if y'all ain't seen the IG, go peep the IG first of all.
Yeah, go keep mine.
We had Mr. Whole Shot, been racing for 32, 42 years, straight flamed this bitch, you know? So,
Now we gotta make it look.
had to get right, got my little paint correction in. We looking good now. We all right.
I'll be talking to you, bro. You got something. You got a quarter, bro.
Oh,
You
hey.
got a quarter, bro. That's magic.
Bro, I'm not
Nah, you did not just do that. You did not just do that.
It's freaky.
Hey, that magic, bro.
Alright, ready? Oh, it hit him. What that is? Tails, hit him. Smack him.
Oh,
Smack
shit.
him.
I said, hey.
Smack him.
What?
Hey, 313.cam on Instagram.
Wait, no. I need money.
Hey, he got 121,000K view video or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying.
One viral video. It's one viral video.
Let's see us go to the gym.
Together. Hit two.
We need
2,000.
The legs together?
What, legs? Yeah, I
got
hit
you.
something.
Hey, I'll
legs.
spot him. Just let me know. Hey.
Look, I'm like this. Shit.
Oh, I thought you were about to put him on your car.
I should have put him on his head.
hold on. I got you. I can do it.
Oh.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Update, Cam just lost his whole balancer. The whole balancer come off. Bro, I don't even know.
We're gonna stop the video for a second. We're gonna have a Cam segment. As y'all know, I was there. I was supposed to pop out at the meet. Unfortunately, we had some things go, and I wasn't there. But let me show y'all, let me explain to y'all what happened. We at the crib. We made it home, hopefully. Thank God. You know, this is supposed to be on the car. As y'all can see, we spun it. No bueno, no bueno. Come up here, you know, she looking good. Got it paint corrected, she shining. We missing something. We got oil everywhere. So that's supposed to be down there, not outside the car. And we lost my belt somewhere. The belt just, bye-bye. The belt went, told me adios, never came back. So, fortunately, I wasn't to make it, but y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
This shit. Low-key, we got some decent amount of cars, y'all. They get me one of these, y'all. That boy look too good.
Check that boy out. That boy look.
Ah, doing good?
EJ this, man.
Doing good, doing good?
Oh, they all deep in there.
Bro, they deep in
this deep. Hey, I'm about to have to sit on last.
Damn! Why you ran over, my boy?
Hey, bro.
Watch yourself.
What's the deal, dog?
What's up, bro? You doing good?
Shit, I'm straight, bro. You got a
That boy clean.
you got this jelly?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My boy. Oh my goodness. Doing good?
Yes, sir.
That's good, that's good. Oh my, this super though.
Wait, hold on.
Oh clean. Oh my god. Doing good?
Bro, I was supposed to, but you know, shit be happening, bro. Family life.
All up in my way.
You know, it should be tough. Salinas, they're booked. They're the best. That's why.
My
Just so
man.
you know.
My man. Doing good?
I just seen your video.
Yeah?
Literally, it's like, what was it? You don't know where your man's live.
Oh, yeah.
That one.
I just seen that today. That's crazy. What's going on, bro?
Hey, this boy look good, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hit him up. He up and coming.
Up and coming,
you
bro.
You about to come up. I can see it, bro.
Hey, everybody rock with the SRTs, bro. I'm trying to show somebody with the ST.
Hey, this boy look good, though. What's up, doing good? You good? You brought your car? I was in here, I got blocked in. I'm like, no, y'all gotta move. I know. I'll be back.
I touched the wave. I touched the wave. I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, bet.
Hey, this is race 2. Race 2.
Hurry up.
Who you got, man?
Low key, the one with no shirt.
Yeah, but my
Low
boy
key.
Chris got it for the story. We got it. No shirt. No shirt. No shirt. No shirt. We got it. We got it. We got it. That's 3 wins, bro.
Bro,
eternity later.
Whoa there!
Gonna be the end of the video, y'all. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next one.